Cities don't expand by chance. They grow when mobility keeps up with demand. As traffic chokes streets and traditional railway systems struggle to scale, metro systems become the gateway to how future cities move. Metro project begins with strategic planning and corridor alignment, where ridership demand, land use, and future growth define the network. Before construction begins, engineers read the ground through detailed investigations to understand soil, rock, and groundwater behavior. Above the city, elevated corridors rise through station design and large-scale construction methods that minimize disruption while maximizing efficiency. Below ground, the challenge intensifies. Engineers design and construct underground stations and tunnels, balancing loads, ground behavior, and urban constraints. Precision excavation and continuous monitoring ensure safety for both structures and the city above. Once the structure stands, mechanical, electrical, and life safety systems bring the metro to life. Codes, digital tools, contracts, and quality systems ensure projects are delivered safely, on time, and at scale. And finally, you will be taken ahead to next-generation transit systems shaping future cities. If you want to engineer how cities move, this is where your journey starts. Metro rail transportation systems and construction. Build infrastructure that lasts.